Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks go invisible in Geometry Dash. First, select any block you wish to hide within the editor. Then, access its Edit Object menu. Inside this menu, locate the opacity slider and drag it all the way down to 0%. This simple step will make your chosen block completely disappear from view during gameplay. Remember to assign a group ID if you plan to control its visibility dynamically. To achieve dynamic invisibility, you'll use an alpha trigger. Place this trigger anywhere in your level. Next, assign a specific group ID to the alpha trigger, matching the group ID of the blocks you want to affect. Set the opacity value to 0 for full transparency. You can also adjust the fade time to create a smooth, gradual disappearance or appearance, ranging from 0 to several seconds. For instant on-off control, the toggle trigger is your best friend. Place a toggle trigger and assign it the group ID of the blocks you wish to control. If you check the Activate Group box, the blocks will become visible. Unchecking it will make them invisible. This trigger provides immediate changes, perfect for sudden reveals or disappearances, adding an element of surprise to your level design. For more advanced effects, try combining alpha and toggle triggers. You can use multiple group ID to manage different sets of blocks independently. Experiment with the touch trigger to allow players to activate or deactivate invisibility themselves. Also, consider using a spawn trigger to delay when an alpha or toggle trigger activates, creating timed or sequential visibility changes. These tools offer immense creative potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.